आशा टूटी ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो कुछ तो सहारा। दीप दया का दीप दया का जलाते चलो, दीप दया का जलाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। छाया है चहु अंधेरा, भटक गई है दिशाएं। मानव बन बैठा है दानव, किसका व्यथा सुना। धरती को धरती को स्वर्ग बनाते चलो, धरती को स्वर्ग बनाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा ऐसी लागी लगन, ऐसी लागी लगन, ऐसी लागी लगन, ऐसी लागी लगन। ऐसी लागी लगन, मेरा हो गई मगन। ऐसी लागी लगन, मेरा तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी। महलों में बन के जोगन चली, महलों में बन के जोगन चली। मीरा रानी दीवाने कहाने लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। कोई रोके नहीं, कोई टोके नहीं, कोई रोके कोई टोके नहीं, कोई रोके नहीं, कोई टोके नहीं। मीरा गोविंद गोपाल गाने लगी, बैठी संतों के संग रंगी मोहन के रंग। मीरा प्रेमी प्रीतम को मनाने, वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी। ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। राणा ने विष दिया मनोमृत पिया, राणा ने विष दिया मनोमृत पिया। मीरा सागर में सरिता समाने लगी, दुख लाखों सहे मुख से गोविंद कहे। मीरा गोविंद गोपाल गाने लगी, वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी। ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी। महलों में बली बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली। गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद, गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु मेरी पूजा। गुरु गोविंद,
गुरु गोविंद,
गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद,
गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म, गुरु भगवंता, मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंदा, मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंदा,
गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंता,
गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म, गुरु भगवंता,
गुरु
मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंदा, गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंदा,
गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु गोविंदा,
गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म, गुरु भगवंता।
Ask all those boys sitting under the building to come and sit in 2 rows in the front. Everybody from that corner. In the front, boys, not if you sit down over there, do not sit down over there. You are asked to come in front. Get up from there. Come in front. Right at the end, right at the end. Let's start from there. You can make one more line in front. Just so they can just make one line there. in case,
It is time that we all see gender as spectrum instead of two sets of opposing ideals. Namaste and a good morning to everyone present here. Today is 1st of November, Wednesday, and on a Gujarati calendar pramane આજે કારતક સુદ 12 છે. Please rise for the morning prayers.
Hands in front. You go to the back and ask him to come in front. Okay? Thank you. Back straight, head up, feet well balanced, eyes closed. All together. Hands on your knees and again back straight, head up, eyes closed. Spread apart, body balance, head up, eyes closed, back straight. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Last time, deep breath in.
I invite Pooja Sheth from class 9K to deliver Emma Watson's UN address on gender equality.
Namaste. I am reaching out to you because I need your help. We want to end gender inequality. And to do that, we need everyone to be involved. And we don't just want to talk about it, but make sure that it is tangible. If there is one thing I know for certain, it is that this has to stop. For the record, feminism by definition is the belief that men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. It is the theory of the political, economic, and social rights of the sexes. I started questioning gender-based assumptions when at 8 I was confused at being called bossy because I wanted to direct plays. When at 15, my girlfriends started dropping out of their sports team because they didn't want to appear too muscly. When at 18, my male friends were not able to express their feelings. I decided I was a feminist, and this seemed uncomplicated to me. Apparently, I'm among the ranks of the women whose expressions are seen as too strong, too aggressive, isolating, anti-man, and unattractive. Why is the word such an uncomfortable one? I think it is right that socially I'm afforded the same respect as men. But sadly, I can say that there is no one country in the world where women can expect to receive these rights. My life is a sheer privilege because my parents didn't love me less because I was born a daughter. My school did not limit me because I was a girl. My mentors did not assume that I would go less far, for I might give birth to a child one day. These influencers are the gender equality ambassadors that made me who I am today. and we need more of those. Men, I would like to take this opportunity and extend your formal invitation. Gender equality is your issue too. Because to date, I've seen men made fragile and insecure. Both men and women should feel free to be sensitive. Both men and women should feel free to be strong. I think
You might be thinking.
you might be thinking, who is this Harry Potter girl? And what is she doing up on the stage at the UN? It is a good question. And trust me, I've been asking myself the same question. I don't know if I'm qualified to be up here. All I know is that I care about this problem and I want to make it better. Because the reality is, if we do nothing, it will take 75 years or for me to be nearly 100 before women can expect to be paid same as men for the same work. If you believe in equality, you might be one of those inadvertent feminists I spoke of earlier. And for this, I applaud you. We are struggling for a uniting world, but the good news is we have a uniting movement, and it is called He for She. I am inviting you to be seen to speak up, to be the He for She, and to ask yourself, if not me, who? If not now, when? Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. I invite Joyshil Sechpal from class 9K to recite a poem in Hindi titled Yudh Karo Arjun Yudh Karo.
नमस्ते। युद्ध करो अर्जुन, युद्ध करो। इस युद्ध में कौरवों को जो दंड मिलेगा वो किसी जन्म या जाति के लिए नहीं, एक दुष्ट के प्रति समर्पण के लिए दंड मिलेगा। तुम ना युद्ध का तात्पर्य जान पाए और ना ही धर्म का स्वरूप जान पाए पार्थ। तुम्हारे शत्रु धर्म की मर्यादा को तोड़ चुके हैं पार्थ, और धर्म ही उनका स्वभाव बन चुका है। उनका उद्धार अब असंभव है। अपराधी को एक सीमा तक की उद्धार का अवसर दिया जा सकता है, उन्हें अधर्म से रोकने में ही करुणा है धनंजय। ये आत्माएं मरेंगी नहीं, अधर्म से दूषित शरीर का त्याग करके नया शरीर धारण करेगी, और उस शरीर में उनकी प्रगति की संभावना अधिक होगी। इस विचार से यदि तुम युद्ध करोगे तो वह उचित है। यदि तुम शस्त्र नहीं उठाओगे तो मैं इन सब का वध कर दूंगा। इसीलिए मोह का त्याग करो, कर्तव्य को देखो, धर्म का भार उठाओ, गांडीव उठाकर दुष्टों का नाश करो। युद्ध करो अर्जुन, युद्ध करो। उत्तिष्ठ युद्धस्व भारत, युद्धस्व भारत। जो मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। ये कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सके वही तो महान है, इसीलिए युद्ध करो अर्जुन, युद्ध करो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Joyshil. Rush is the soundtrack to the film of the same name, featuring a musical score composed by Hans Zimmer. Lost But One is the 23rd track in this album. A Zimmer delight. Sit back and enjoy.
Close your eyes. Inspiring piece of music. A round of applause for those musicians, please. Our reciters on stage. Music creates images in our mind. So when you're listening to that music, you see things, right? Automatically your mind conjures up images based on your previous experiences. An overhead clap for both our reciters this morning, please. Overhead. Thank you. Second day of the second term of this year, and the vacation is a good time to look at the targets that you had set for yourself at the beginning of the year and start asking yourself the question as to whether you are moving towards your objectives, your aims, your targets. And you have something that you call a win-win agreement, and you have some goals that you are going to do certain things in academics and you are going to do other things in your extracurricular activities. So vacation days are a good time to review, to look how well you are progressing towards those goals, and of course, to make adjustments if you are not moving in the direction that you want. Second day of being in a school that gives you various opportunities, including the morning prayer, and to be a part of something like this. You have academics in your classrooms, you have activities, and there are numerous activities coming up in this second term. Many of you participated very actively in the first term, and continue your participation to make the maximum use of this opportunity that you have to be a part of a school like this. And I have told you before that there are only 0.01% of students in schools like this in India. And you are part of that 0.01%. Very, very, very few students in India get to be a part of a school like this. So you have various opportunities here, and it is entirely up to you to take advantage. Right? And one of the things that we have been talking about in the first term, and I just remind you again, is that there is an opportunity to learn another language from the one that you normally speak at home. Right? So when you come here, you are thinking in English, you are speaking in English, and the idea is, of course, to become good at English, because it's going to give you an advantage when you go out into the real world. Right? It's entirely in your hands as to how you progress from here. So think about that. Please stand for the national anthem. Assembly, Savan.
तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा।
Vishram. Students, please take your seats. And the first two line of boys, you will be the last to leave, right? So you're going to sit here and enjoy the music till the end.
Oh रहे मेरे मुख में सदा तेरा नाम,
रहे मेरे मुख में सदा तेरा नाम।
ओ राधा का श्याम, ओ मीरा का श्याम,
ओ राधा का श्याम, मीरा का श्याम।
रहे मेरे मुख में सदा तेरा नाम,
रहे मेरे मुख में सदा तेरा नाम।
ओ राधा का श्याम, ओ मीरा का श्याम,
ओ राधा का श्याम, मीरा का श्याम।
कोई दुनिया की ताकत जुदा न करे,
कोई दुनिया की ताकत
Boys in the first two lines, remain there, remain.
मिले
They go last.
तो मुझे राधा राधा कहे,
मिले जो मुझे राधा राधा।
मिले तो मुझे राधा राधा कहे। मुझे तो न मरने से जीने से कहा, मुझे तो न मरने से जीने से कहा। ओ राधा का श्याम, ओ मीरा का श्याम,
ओ राधा का श्याम, मीरा का श्याम।
चरणों में अपना बिठा लो प्रभु,
चरणों में अपना बिठा लो प्रभु।
अपने में मुझको मिला लो प्रभु,
अपने में मुझको मिला लो प्रभु।
अपने में मुझको मिला लो प्रभु। रटू तेरा नाम मैं सुबह और शाम, रटू तेरा नाम
Thank you.
सुबह और शाम। ओ राधा का श्याम, ओ मीरा का श्याम, ओ राधा का श्याम, ओ मीरा का श्याम।